Welcome to Aurora Predictions, Seeing LightZ AI is Believing. Tools like Domo, Tableau, Alteryx, and Power BI are versatile, but the intelligence to solve problems is external to the tool. That is, you are the intelligence that needs to know what you're looking for, how to find it mathematically, and how to program it in the tool, which is why after you've loaded your data, you'll find a blank screen to begin your work. When dealing with AI and analytics, the business users have the requirements, but don't typically have the specialized data science and programming skills. As such, they must work with data scientists who have the requisite skills but are without business experience. This causes what's called friction, and is a reason 2 of 3 analytics projects fail. Now let's look at Aurora LightZ, see what it delivers when data is loaded. LightZ AI builds a full-feature model replete with analysis, analytics, predictions, and forecasts from the data that's loaded. First, the opening screen isn't blank. There is an automatic and built-in report, no coding, and one of hundreds of reports that can be accessed on the fly. Then there's the drill path that's a hierarchy of dimensions built by the user like a pivot table from which to visualize, navigate, and explore. Here, the drill path is organized by distributor type, product group, and product. All data in LightZ is connected to time, so no need for adding a calendar table. Here we see year-to-date data and year-over-year variance analysis, no coding. Next is a built-in artificial intelligence column of the predicted trend direction signal for the next 12 months. Further, you don't need to be a statistician to know what the values in the columns mean, as it's interpreted by an arrow to show magnitude and direction. Then there's the built-in columns for internal and external correlations. Here, the external correlation is with U.S. Consumer Price Index, selected from a built-in library. You don't need to know the value of the coefficient of correlation, as it's interpreted by cell bars to show strength and direction. The columns of performance measurement include mean, standard deviation, and standard deviation versus mean percent. Then there's the intelligent chart that knows the report displays year-over-year data, and the chart automatically opens to a display year-over-year chart to match the data. It's that simple and powerful to explore, analyze, and predict your data. All built in, no coding, no statistical knowledge needed. Now let's utilize the LightZ AI to impact the decisions we make with predictive intelligence. Here, the report is simplified to what managers typically receive and will navigate to the Monitor 19 product and will drill down on the gross distributor sales to see the specific distributors and the city stores the Monitor 19 is sold. We see some stores have growing sales of Monitor 19 while others declining. As such, managers focus their attention to the declining problems. But are these the problems? And what are the opportunities we're missing? First, let's bring back the 12-month AI predicted trend direction column. The distributor Intercomp in Phoenix, this store has a year-to-date sales decline of 11.7%, and typically a manager would cut back shipments and begin promotions to encourage sales. But is this the correct decision? Well, no, because the predictive trend direction shown by the green up arrow means this is a bad trend, but it's already on the mend, whereas microage in San Diego is a bad trend predicted to get worse. Turning to Fry's Phoenix, there's a 14.4% growth, and rather than simply assuring shipments, the up arrow predicted trend direction signals there is also an opportunity to increase price. This built-in and automatic AI impacts decisions that increase financial performance. Let's review a benchmark. Here, a $400 million CPG manufacturer of a division of a Fortune 500 company. When managers see a bad trend, as in year-over-year variance in the product categories of fridge, microwave, and game, they effectively took corrective action to the tune of a $10 million sales increase. But without a predictive trend signal, they couldn't see the good trends predicted to go bad with dry storage, preparation, and on the go that resulted in an $18 million sales decrease for a net result of an $8 million sales decrease. They also didn't see the good trend in servings that was predicted to get better and therefore didn't take advantage of sales improvement through price increases. As such, predictive demand signals powerfully inform decisions. In conclusion, Aurora LightZ elevates your data and supplements your systems to predict, to forecast, and plan with increased accuracy and confidence for better decision making.